Hey, we are live.
What's up, y'all?
Hey. It's Melly Mel, Sincerely Creative Mom. Tammy Hodges with Polka Dot Wreath Co.
Jordan Matthew, Designs by Jordan.
Jackie with the fancy front door. All right, let's do this.
All right.
Tammy was saying that one of her best sellers at like craft shows, and I know like a great little a la carte item to have in your shop, friends, it's just bows. So it's great to have those on hand. It's good to start making them now. I've gotten to the point where I can just kind of watch TV and make some bows. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to have some extra bows that we're going to be using throughout our weekend in this awesome Christmas color scheme, our red and white for the weekend.
And guys, when you're at craft shows, people love to see you create. If you have time, or which most of the time you don't if you're at a busy show. But even if you're in between people, if you have helpers, make a quick bow. They love to see you create because they'll say as they're walking by, "Oh, what are you doing?" That lures them in. So it's kind of a marketing ploy, but it really does work. And bows sell, Sam's ribbon bows sell for maybe between $15 and $25. So they work. Do you sell bows at your?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it works.
$25.
$25 make $1.
And you guys, it's kind of a nice little thank you to put in the box with your wreath as well. Like, hey, you spent XYZ dollars. Here's a little matching bow to put on your mailbox, to put on your mantle, wherever in your house on a sconce to help you decorate and coordinate for Christmas.
And also, some people want their packages really pretty, and they don't know how to do it. So this year at my show in November, what I'm going to do is take foam board, and I'm going to make little squares, and I'm going to have them numbered with, it's all going to be Sam's ribbon, but I'm going to have little package bows up on a board, and they're going to be like, I want 2 of those number 1s or 3 of those number 4s, and I'm going to be able to pull them out from Ziploc baggies and just fluff them because they're going to be pre-done. I'm going to show you a simple tree topper that I do. This is the most simple one you can do. Literally, it's not even really a tree topper. It's a bow at the top of your tree because they want it.
It's easy if they're buying. Shoot, I'll make you whatever you need.
I think we went live and made the rain go away. Listen.
We sure did. You guys, it was so loud. We thought we were going to have to be yelling at you. And as soon as we went live, the rain went go away. This is sheer, and I didn't think I would like it as much, and I love it. Because it's sheer and sparkly. Sheer and shimmery. Yay! Well, right now, we are all gung-ho for Christmas in July because we are hosting, starting today, our Christmas in July Stock Your Shop Challenge. And the reason is because us creatives really do start in July stocking our shops with Christmas so that we're not stuck on November 30th trying to make 100 orders and get them out the door, and we're not sleeping and just driving ourselves crazy, and that really sucks the fun out of creativity. So we really do start stocking our shop with the things that we have on hand, with red and white, with our leftovers from last Christmas, those things that we just got on sale from 4th of July that from 4th
I
of July
literally was just getting ready to say that. Pull your 4th of July back out, friends.
That's right. If it's red and white, utilize it. And greens too. And then your non-traditional Christmas colors too. That whole candy theme, the pastels. Y'all, Christmas colors go all over the spectrum. So grab what you've got on hand and start making.
I think it's because I finished my bow before y'all did.
Could be.
I was taking my time.
We were loving on our people. Do you package bows in a box or a padded envelope? I do not do it in a padded envelope. If somebody has paid me for a bow, like a tree topper, it goes into a box because they're not gonna know how to fluff it. And they didn't. This is how I believe as a customer. If I got something that wasn't assembled, I wouldn't know how to do it. If I wasn't a designer, I would be upset about that. So
My
I wouldn't
thinking
do
is
that.
like they bought it from me because they couldn't make it themselves. So I'm not going to send it flat. I want them to open up exactly what they bought online.
Right.
I want it to look exactly the same.
Like even at a
as it
craft show,
looks.
you don't want to hand them a smush bow.
No, I don't take it. When they get that Ziploc bag, I literally turn to them like this and I fluff it really quick and then turn back around and act like I'm fluffing it for real. Because you don't want to Listen, there's a reason I have a cash wrap with fabric draping all the way around it. All of my bows are underneath there. I don't come
Like, I
up
would
above
tell
the
you,
eye level with that stuff.
So I'm gonna do something that's probably gonna make people cringe. I would never give my customer this.
Oh God.
That made me cringe.
Yeah.
But I also know that.
Why
no,
would
right.
you? Why would you send that to them?
Yeah.
Because they're gonna get in there and be like, that didn't look
That's
anything
not what I
like
bought.
the picture.
That's not what I bought.
Fluff out your bow for them,
Yes.
please.
So, if you just do a super simple, and this isn't even a very full one, but if you do, somebody may just say, I just want something on the top of my tree. You could do 2 of these and put them back to back if they have a 360 view, or if they just have that front side. I'm not as much anymore, but I used to be just a front side designer. So something else that I do is, as you saw what I just did, I just cut 3 to 6 feet in tails and add it. I ask them, it is extra if they want tails, depending on how many streamers they want. I charge extra for that. These aren't very long ones. This would be for like a 4-foot tree, and I can show them because I always have a tree in my booth. I'll show them how to do it, but this is literally just a quickie, very quickie bow.
Yeah. So this is something that you could potentially provide your customers. They say, y'all, Boy Scouts of America does a Wreath fundraiser every year. And
They do.
they put those
Hideous.
ugly little bows on it. If your customer comes, you can be like, well, I bought one of those Boy Scout of America wreaths and I don't like the bow. Can you make me one? Y'all,
Boom.
Oh.
done.
But these are simple if you do a one-sided, but these are really, really full if you do it put two together. They're really full. They're literally like 48 loop bows. The reason I grabbed Sam's ribbon, you get a lot for your buck. A lot for your buck. What you see Jordan doing is putting his tails into the wreath. You don't need anything else. Nothing.
Nope.
Oh, cute, cute, cute.
So look how I
Super
just
duper
took
cute.
that wreath and took it to the next level.
Next level.
There you go. And you really don't even need anything else. If you wanted to put some ornaments in there, you totally could, but you don't have to.
Right.
This would be really cute. Where's that mailbox at? Oh,
It's over there.
there you go. So, if you don't have anything else that you can put on your mailbox, this is what I sold these as. Forget the streamers. This is for a tree.
I would put that on my mailbox of streamers. I'm extra.
You would.
I would totally do that.
But,
yeah, that's
that's
cute.
actually not bad.
I
But
love that.
I promise you, at Christmas time, all of us will have bows in our shop. At some point this Christmas.
Somebody
Everybody in this
asked
room.
how many loops. I lost count.
I don't even
One,
count mine.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 14.
On these ones, I will tell you they're normally a minimum of 32 loops, 28 to 32. I just kind of split it in the middle, but think about it, when you double these up to make a sphere instead of the one-sided, it's 64 loops all day long.
Yeah.
There's a lot of loops, but that's why the Sam's ribbon is so good, because you get a lot of bang for your buck.
Yeah.
And I paid $6.97 for the whole roll. But most of the time, I can get 5 to 6 big bows out of my Sam's spool, and I'm making 20 to 25 bucks a piece. $125 on a $7 investment. Yes, please sign me up.
all day. All day.
Sign
it
me
just
up.
makes good
I mean, do you
sense.
use Sam's ribbon for your bows? Yeah. It's just a no-brainer. Jordan really concentrates with these bows. He's already on his second one.
Have you spoken this whole time?
Nope.
He's concentrating.
Hi, Mom. I know she's
I
watching.
just realized. I was like, hold on. Do you have anything to add to this? I feel like you're just randomly saying yes. Yes.
Yep.
Tell us what you did, Jordy.
I made a bow.
Tell us what you did, what you really, really did. So
I made that super-sized bow up there. But y'all, when you're looking at a Christmas tree in a store, and I will tell you, Sam's ribbon works the same way. A lot of the same way. You see those super gorgeous trees that have tons of ribbon, you're like, I can't afford that. I can't afford that $30 roll ribbon. Well, you go to Sam's and you buy a cheaper roll, $7. You can make bows just like this. But you see how big this bow is?
talk a little louder. Talk a little louder, Jordan. Look how
Tuck
pretty.
that in there, and you can just manipulate all the tails to come in and out. Like,
So they're acting as
Yeah.
ornaments, really.
Yeah.
Oh, for sure, for sure. And they cover a lot of space.
Yeah.
I love all this red and white. It makes me extremely happy.
I'm such a big fan.
I love it.
Yes. All right, you guys. Thanks for hanging
Okay.
out with us. Do
Wish I
not
could know
miss
what
this opportunity
Tell
to
us.
invest in yourself, invest in your craft. I know I say that all the time, but I really mean it.
Awesome.
And get ahead. Get ahead. It is
Yes.
so vital, especially in our market, in our craft, to be ahead of the seasons so that you're not stuck on November 30th trying to knock out all those Christmas
Nope.
wreaths.
All right, y'all. Be blessed. We'll talk to y'all later.
Bye.
Thank you.